and this is Wicked Game by Chris Isaak. So, develop your musical potential, Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. Today we're going to learn Wicked Game by Chris Isaak. And it has only 3 chords, which are easy to play. It starts with B minor, A major, then E major. The B minor starts with a bar chord on the 2nd fret as you put your first finger here, and 2nd finger goes on 3rd fret, 2nd string. 3rd finger goes on 4th string, 4th fret, and pinky finger goes on 3rd string, 4th fret. Now remember, you gotta make it sound clear. And then the 2nd chord you're gonna learn is A major, which is 1st finger goes on 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd finger goes on 2nd fret, 3rd string, and 3rd finger goes on 2nd fret, 2nd string. For E major, goes on 1st finger goes on 1st fret, 3rd string, and 2nd finger goes on 2nd fret, 5th string, and 3rd finger goes on 4th string, 2nd fret. That's all you need to know. And the strumming pattern goes as this. And that's the whole song. Basically, it goes in a loop, and that's all you need to know. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press a like, click the bell icon, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.